Asked that girl what she'd wanted to be. She said, listen baby, can't you see? Wanna be famous, a star on the screen, but I can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star, thank you. Baby, you can drive my car, and maybe I'll love you. Told that girl my intentions were good. She said, listen, it's understood. Working for peanuts is all very fine, but I can show you a better time. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car, and maybe I'll love you. Beep, 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 yeah. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car. Maybe I'll love you. Told that girl I could start right away. She said, listen, I got something to say. I got no car and it's breaking my heart, but I got a driver and that's a start. Baby, you can drive my car.